I think at ESCP Europe, we know what students expect when they go abroad in the context of a study program. And our own experience helps us to know what foreign students appreciate when they come to Berlin or to Germany.
As one of the premier management institutes in India, in the Indian Institute of Management Jammu is always looking forward to tying up the best in the world, and our association with ESCP Europe Berlin is a natural part of this particular process.
I chose to be part of this because it gives an exposure to different culture. Also, it tests you, like how will you fit in other culture and how flexible you are.
Here I have met a lot of different people from Africa, different parts of Europe, America, and I have gained an insight into their voices, into their lives, how they live, how they see things.
The whole strategies that we read in the class, we implemented it in a real scenario, in the real world concept. Like we had our own cases and we implemented all the things that we had learned. Talking about the finance or marketing skills or cross-cultural values, everything was there.
Is the mix of classroom teaching with company visits, social events, group projects, which helps the students to reach their learning objectives.
It was a perfect mixture of fun and learning. We were not only exposed to classroom teachings, but also various companies also we visited, such as Volkswagen. We came to know how such a giant automobile industry runs and what kind of standards do they follow across the globe.
For the company visits, my favorite would be Wolfsburg because I am an automotive enthusiast, and Volkswagen specifically, as soon as we entered the museum, I still remember there was this green area where we could calculate our ecological footprint. So that made me realize that how much I am consuming right now and how that will affect the environment.
And we customize the program in terms of contents, in terms of methods, in terms of timing, and also in terms of the teaching approaches. And it's usually our partner school abroad who develops the programming with us.
This is one thing which we would really associate with a partner of ours, one who is willing to go out of the way to help us out when we are in a spot of trouble. So 100% to ESCP Europe for making this happen.